Hi guys, if you're looking for a part-time job that you can do from the comfort of your home and get paid, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 4 different job openings that are currently recruiting for different positions, and you can apply for this role without any experience. Now, all the links to this job will be in the video description, so do well to check on them and see the one that you can apply for. It is completely free. If this is what you're interested in, let's jump right to our screen and get started. So the first job on our list is Scenicglobal. So Scenicglobal is looking for reservation consultants, and this role is a remote role and also is a part-time role, and you'll be working every Saturday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and every Sunday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So some of the essential skills that you need for this role is you need to have a positive attitude. You also be able to work under minimal supervision, as this role is a remote role, so you must work under minimal supervision. You must have the ability to work under minimal supervision. Also, you must be an excellent communicator. You must be able to communicate either to your colleagues, to your manager, or to the direct guest. And if you scroll up, you see some of the essential function for this role. So the first one here says deliver exceptional guest experience either over the phone or via email. So you must be able to deliver exceptional guest experience over the phone or via email. Also, it says process sales call to close new individual sales for direct guests and travel advisor. So you must be able to place a phone call to close new clients to the business. Also, it says you should answer detailed questions regarding various itineraries, ship and land program offered by Scenic Luxury Cruise and Tour and Emerald Cruise. So you must have knowledge of the business to be able to answer question about the company you are working for rather. So if you can just go through everything that is needed for you to uh, work effectively in this company. So if you scroll down, you can see it is desirable to have, that means what you are supposed to have to get hired for this role. It says experience in a call center. That means you must have worked in as a customer service advisor before or in hospitality environment. Also, it says schedule for availability. Our contact center is open 7 days a week. Your work shift will be Saturday 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Sunday 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So for this role, you are expected to work, like I said earlier, every Saturday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. in the evening, and on Sunday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. in the evening. And also, reservation agent located at Mountain Standard Time Zone and Pacific Coast Time Zone will work at 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So if this is what is related to you, just know that you work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So you can just scroll down. It says the training environment. Training will take place virtually for approximately 4 to 6 weeks. That means they will train you if you don't have experience in this job for 4 to 6 weeks. So you can just scroll down and see and read about everything on this portal. I will drop the link the direct link to this page on in the description. So make sure you check the description for, so if you are interested in this, you can just apply. You can apply via LinkedIn or Indeed. So the second job here is from Healthmine, and Healthmine, they are looking for a product coordinator. So this job, you can see that this job is a remote role, and the salary will be between from $20 to $25 per hour. So the summary of this job is: a Healthmine is seeking a part-time temporary product coordinator to support our clients, project manager, and to handle the daily administrative tasks needed to stay on top of our client requests for communication. So if this is what you are interested in, if you are interested in product management and product coordination, then this job is for you. It's for everyone. No matter where you are, you can apply for this job because it is completely remote. It says what you do. So it says you are supposed to review and maintain timeline due dates on monday.com board. So you use monday.com to review and maintain timeline and due dates. You manage translation using Akobe. You review and assign existing client requests, update project board as needed, update weekly priority project board, miscellaneous project support, and other duties as assigned. So what you need, so to apply for this job, you need 2 years experience in product coordination or a similar role. So if you have worked as a project coordinator, product manager, you have organized any project, you can apply for this role. Also, if you are familiar with Microsoft Suite or Microsoft Office and the likes, you can apply for this role. You can just go through everything about this this job. I will also drop the direct link to this job here in the description, so do well to check it out if it's what you are interested in. So the top job here is from Veracity Insurance, and they are looking for online customer service trainee, and this job here is a completely remote job, and also it's for entry level. That means you don't need to have any experience working as an online customer service advisor. So you can see, you can read about the company here. It said at Veracity Insurance Solution, we are an MGG. As an MDG, we sell policy directly to customer. We are a company that from the top down deliver a world-class customer experience while living the word hard play hard model that promotes a strong work-life balance. So you can just read, let me not bore you with everything here. So you can just read through this page. It will also be dropped, the direct link to this page will also be dropped in the link description, so do well to check it out if this is what you're interested in. It says what we are in for. So we pay for your time and material to obtain and maintain the property and casualty license. You also have paid holiday. You also have 160 hours of PTO, that's sick vacation, plus 2 floating holiday per year. You can just read everything, what you will benefit when working for this company here. So extension function, you can also read it here. Requirement: you must have high school diploma, designated space, and internet capability to work from home. So you can just read everything here. Like I said earlier, the link to this page will be in the video description. So let's jump to the fourth website. So the fourth job here is from Backstage, and Backstage they are looking for editor. So if you are an editor, a copywriter, a technical writer, this job might be interested. This job might interest you, and this job is completely remote. So you can just read through uh, everything about the company. You can read through about the role, what you would do if you are given the job, uh, what we are looking for. So from here, they say they are looking for someone that has 5 to 8 years experience in digital content creation for B2C platform. So you can just read through uh, their requirements and everything they need, and if this interests you, you can just apply. You say the salary for this position is from 80,000 to 85,000 US dollar, and if this is what you're interested in, you can apply through LinkedIn here and you submit your application. If you don't want to apply through LinkedIn, you can fill in all the details and apply for this role. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and if this video was helpful, don't forget to like this video. If you have any comments, drop it in the comment section and we'll respond to all your comments. See you in the next video. Bye.